Welcome to Littlejohn's Yarns. Today I'm going to teach you how to take one strand of worsted weight yarn and turn it into super bulky or chunky yarn. Let's hop right into the tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to take worsted weight yarn and turn it into super bulky or chunky yarn. Today I'm using a 6mm crochet hook just for visual purposes, but for chunky yarn I would recommend at least a K hook all the way up into an S hook. So we'll hop right into the tutorial and I'll show you how to turn your worsted weight yarn into super bulky or chunky yarn. We'll begin by making a slip knot, just like you would any other pattern. Once your slip knot is created, I want you to begin like you're doing a finger chain. Pick up the yarn and pull a long strand. Pull your loop, and now you have 3 pieces which will equal super bulky yarn. To begin your chain, you slip knot as usual, and insert your hook. We're going to work a few chains together until I run out of my 3 strands of yarn. Then I'll tell you how to pick up another strand so you can continue to work with 3 strands. Alright, we made it to the end of our 3 strands. Just like you did before, take your loop, lay it on top of the strand, and pick up the strand and form another loop, just like so. If you're working on a pattern, I suggest you pull an extremely long loop, but just for visual purposes, I'm just pulling a short one. So now once again, you're back to your 3 strands to work with. We'll chain a couple more until we run out. Alright, and I'll show you how to pick up more yarn one more time. Take your loop, lay it on top of your working strand, and pull another long loop. Like I said, if you're working on a pattern, I suggest you pull an extremely long loop so you don't have to keep pulling over and over again. And continue to crochet. This is a great trick when you run out of your own chunky yarn or super bulky yarn. Just use what you already have in your yarn pile. Hope this video helped, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button, and I'll see you all guys later.